I'm not sure what I got myself into, but this is it. I'll show you. It's a new ambulance box, and it's kind of hard to tell. But that's the new project for the Rhino. The box is 14 foot long, 8 foot wide, just about 6 foot tall, and it's a mess. There's a rat. There's like, I don't know, not. Oh, this is, I already picked this up, but bird's nest, shit everywhere. So the job now is to start cleaning it. Once it's clean and all gutted, then I'll come back and give you an idea of what's the plan for this project. Cheers.